Successful traders won't tell you this, my friends, but chasing strategy is not going to get you to the level that you want to be as a trader. Have you ever heard the term trading is 10% strategy and 90% psychology? Guys, that is the key. We are hung up on strategy because it's flashy, it's interesting, it's exciting, and we don't talk about the boring side, which is psychology. But why are we not chasing the 90% and we are just hung up on this 10%? So guys, listen, in this video, we're going to break it down and make sure that you are focused on that 90% to get to that success level that you deserve. All right, y'all. So the first thing you need to have for your 90% is a foundation. You need to actually learn the fundamentals when it comes to trading. So many individuals have come to me and said they've been trading for 3 or 4 years, but they don't know simple things like anatomy of a candlestick, right? How it opens, how it closes, and things like key levels or support and resistance, supply and demand. I've had people that literally say, yeah, I've been doing this, and they're not aware of strike prices, don't know how to pick the proper strike price. So guys, you have to have a foundational set of skills when it comes to trading so that it doesn't matter what strategy you go to, but at least you have a foundation of the verbiage, the vocabulary of what it is to actually trade. Okay, so too many of us didn't learn, and you're just running around to different strategies, but you don't know the foundation or fundamentals when it comes to trading. All right, number 2, y'all. Now you have some foundational, you have some fundamentals that you know. Now you're going to build on that, and what I want you to focus on is risk management. Okay, too many traders that I have spoken to, like new traders or traders, like I said, have been trading, have told me they've blown their accounts, right? And this is something that you as a trader should know of and understand. You should not be blowing an account. What you need to be doing is having risk management. Risk management is exactly what it sounds like. You manage your risk. So the name of the game, my friend, is to be a good loser. Have minimal losses and have maximized wins. This is how you have longevity in the market. Guys, if you do not have this part figured out, no matter what stage you're in as a trader, you're never gonna get to the number that you want to get to. I'm gonna tell you that right now. If you're beginning, middle, whatever, you're never going to get to the level that you want to get to if you do not have risk management and you do not use it on a daily basis. Okay? So that is literally being able to be a good loser and come back the next day and trade again. So risk management is going to save you as a trader. So make sure you have that dialed in. So for example, we have 2 individuals, right? One person with good risk management and then one person with bad risk management. So this person with good risk management, right? They win 60% of their trades. And when it comes to comparing the win rate of a person with good risk management to a person with bad risk management, this person over here with bad risk management says they win 90% of their trades. But the person that has good risk management, my friends, will monetarily, numbers wise, make more than this individual that has bad risk management. Example, they're going to over leverage themselves on that bad trade. Yeah, they're going to win 90% of their trades, right? But that one trade can wipe out all of their winnings because of the fact that they do not employ proper risk management, okay? And a clear disclaimer, my friends, this 90% is just an example. If anyone tells you that they are a 90% trader or profitable trader, please run the other direction fast. All right, y'all. Now we're going to talk about having patience, okay? So when it comes to being a trader, really and truly, people come into the market thinking that it's going to be flashy fireworks, pew, 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 money and just coming out of the computer screen at you. But really and truly, trading is waiting for your setup to come to you, waiting for your setup to produce itself, and then for you to execute, okay? So let me tell you this. If you are jumping into trades, my friends, and just taking a trade because of the simple fact that the market is open, you are going to be missing your setup so many times, okay, my friends? And this is the crazy part. You go ahead and take a trade that you weren't supposed to be in. You had no business being in this trade, right? It doesn't go in your favor. You end up in the red. And guess what? 15 minutes later, your ideal setup comes in your grips, but guess what? You have no more buying power. You've already traded for the day and you get to sit and watch that trade go without you. So if I can implore you to do anything, my friends, give yourself the opportunity to actually get that setup that you've been waiting for. Have patience. It is waiting. It's more waiting than anything else when it comes to being a trader that is going to be successful. So having the patience to wait for the right setup and also giving yourself the patience to actually do the things we talked talked about earlier, to actually learn, the fundamentals, to learn the vocabulary. Give yourself that time to actually learn so that when these favorable setups come into your area, you're able to actually execute accordingly. Last but not least, my friends, this is so important for you to have success. And this is one of the big parts of this 90% area is your emotional intelligence. A lot of individuals do not talk about it because guess what? It's not flashy. It's not cool. It's not, it's not the thing that's, people think that this is not the thing that's going to make you the money. But if I can tell you with all certainty, my friends, emotional intelligence will be that final thing that's going to get you to the money that you desire. Okay? Think about this, my friends. How many times have you jumped into a trade because of FOMO? How many times have you jumped into a trade because, dang, I said I need to pay that bill. I need to make that money. Or how many times have you made money and you should have walked away, but because of that greed emotion, you stayed in longer than you were supposed to? Hello, ding, ding, ding. Emotional intelligence, right? Being aware of when these emotions are attacking you is so key to your success as a trader. If you know that you're about to have FOMO, you know how to react to that. Or if you know you're being greedy, you know how to react to that. If you know you're about to over leverage, you will know how to react to that. But if you are not aware of your emotional intelligence, if you ignore these feelings, my friends, this is how you cut out your confidence from under you. You lower your account, right? And even blow your account because you're not paying attention to these emotions and actually addressing them as they come. So here's a quick little tip in regards to these emotions. Make sure you have some sort of rules that will keep you in line. Hey, if I have 2 red trades, I'm out. If I have 3 red trades, I'm out. If I feel uncomfortable in a trade, that means I'm over leveraging. I'm gonna lower my position size. Come up with your own trading rules that will attack these emotions head on and then follow them. Follow them day in and day out. Be very strategic about following them. Give yourself 30 days to stay within these rules and see how you dial in your emotions and lower those feelings of anxiety, fear, greed, FOMO, over leveraging, over trading. Those are things that'll jack you up, my friends. All right. So get some rules so that you can keep your emotion intelligence in check. And I'm going to tell you, man, wrap all these together, my friends, and you will get to that success and that level that you want to. Okay. Don't just chase that 10%. Remember about this 90% over here, and it will definitely enhance your trading as a whole. All right, my friends, listen, if you're still here, you gonna win. You are gonna win because this was so important to me as a beginner trader, and I'm so grateful for you to have sat through this and learned this, because let me tell you, it's gonna change the game for you. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and share this to one of your trading friends, because hey, they need to learn their this 90% also, so that you can be a 100% well-rounded trader. All right, we don't want you walking around the streets with only 10%. What you gonna do with that? So my friends, if you need help with your trading journey as a whole, you want a simple strategy, all you have to do is comment the word trade down below, or simply click the link in the description there, or comment the word Discord down below, and I got you. Listen, if you have any other questions about trading, write that in the comments down below. I love reading my comments, love interacting with y'all. I appreciate you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one.